Yo, good morning. It's been a while since I've done this. But yeah, my car is finally fixed. All the issues that I had. Not sure if you all saw my Instagram stories or whatever. And actually, I think in my last video too, I kind of mentioned it, but I had an axle leak and that kind of sucks. The inner boot was punctured by something. It looks like it was either a tool or, some like debris got caught up and just like punctured it. But I don't think it was a tool because it just, the timing didn't match up with how much stuff was leaking. So I think I just got really unlucky and something punctured the inner boot. So I had to get the whole axle replaced. And then after I got the axle replaced, it was still leaking, and it was actually because of the circlip. It wasn't tight in there. So ordered a new circlip, got that installed, and now my car is finally good to go. I can actually drive now. So today we are actually on our way to Greddy. They are having their 30th anniversary event. It's supposed to actually start at 11, but apparently people are showing up now. So I've been told. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive on over right now, get some parking, and let's check out and see what they have. Let me pull out of this garage, and then I'll talk to you guys again soon. Yeah, but anyways, like I was saying, sorry that I haven't been posting any videos or anything. Just between my car not being drivable and just like dealing with a bunch of other crap, in life. I just haven't been able to get behind the camera and just like, go for a drive, talk to you all, talk about the car. But, things are starting to lighten up a little bit, and the fact that I can actually drive again. So hopefully I will have more videos out for you soon. Actually, today, I am going to be filming another video, which is going to be like the full, or like almost full like mods breakdown list on this car. And I'm going to be going over, the cost of the mods with the Agile bumper and without the Agile bumper. So yeah, stick around for that. I know this is like a pretty big topic that a lot of people are interested in, is like how much does it actually cost to modify a G80, a G82, whatever. And it's definitely not cheap. So I do want to be like as transparent as possible. If you all are ever considering buying a vehicle like this, and you plan on modifying it, just know like the costs that actually go into that type of car, because yeah, it is definitely something that you have to consider. It's not cheap. But yeah, that video will be coming out sometime soon. I'm going to be filming that today. Also, I'm about to hit 12,000 miles. It's almost been a year, so I'll put out like a 12,000 mile review of this car as well. Talk about the ups and downs. Maybe talking about the price of like service and all that stuff. At least that came out of pocket. So yeah, stick around for those videos. I think those will be more like informational, if anything. I wouldn't say it's going to be like too entertaining, but I definitely think that those videos will help a lot of you if you do or are interested in buying a car like this. Also, another thing, this car is finally getting PPF, not this coming week, but the week after. So for those of you that do like my Canyon videos, more of those will be coming soon once the PPF finally goes on the Agile bumper. I've been basically just driving local roads ever since I did get the Agile installed, except for like 2 times, and those 2 times I actually got rock chips, which is very, very sad. Like, I got rock chips on the bumper and on the carbon fiber lip, and it was just very, very painful because honestly it wasn't even that long of a drive on the highway, so it kind of sucks. But I mean, driving local only just to protect the car, I'm fine with it. Like, you got to do what you got to do, right? But yeah, we're about to pull up to the venue, or well, I guess their headquarters. So hopefully we see some pretty cool stuff as we pull in. I'm gonna switch to the phone, you know, once I do park, and then we'll go take a look around and, you know, see what's here. And I'll give you guys a good look of, you know, what my car looks like right now too. It is freshly washed. Well, I got it washed yesterday, but you know, it'll still look pretty clean, even though it is a little bit gloomy outside and it is a little rainy. It's like drizzling a little bit, but yeah, let's see what they got. Yeah, I don't know, this is kind of crazy, the fact that this was supposed to start at 11. Like, they advertised it from 11 to 3. It's 9:57, so almost 10 o'clock, but it's pretty damn packed. Maybe people are trying to get here early to get like the free stuff that they're giving out. Honestly, I have no idea, but yeah, there's quite a bit of people here. Alright, so it's after 11. A lot of people are here now. Yo, look at this RCF. Ooh, look at this NSX. And that sexy man. Damn. S14. Ooh.
And a few years after, was like 20 years ago, Andrew hit him up to see if he wants to buy the car.
Oh shit. Yo, look at this minivan though. It's crazy.
Car, and I wish you had your car that we used to sponsor back in the day, but you know, you're still building, drive racing, drag cars, and kind of competitive out there right now. But,
damn, on the BBSs too.
Talk about, you know, how they use it and how we kind of dismount.
Oh shit.
There used to be a shop called Toy Sport back in the day.
Damn.
I
Yo,
was doing
this
side jobs.
RS6 is so clean. Oh my god.
So I was
Bro.
doing some side jobs for Toy Sport. And there's this
If I were to own a wagon, I mean, obviously, you know, the oh, it's so clean.
89 Civic TX. Is that you?
You like it?
Yeah, I do.
That's a no.
And so I took him for a ride on my CRX. And
Damn.
versus then after he
Yo, the 4Runner on the TEs though? 4Runner on the TEs. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if those blue that blue goes with that black, you know.
Specifically,
This specific blue, that blue, not your blue.
but that's your favorite blue. She said.
This is rude.
That is
I'm just
unfortunate.
keeping it real with you.
Yeah, would you rather us lie? Like, do you want us to lie? No, okay. Well, these look so good. What do you guys think about this? This blue with this black, it look good or not? I like the wheel. I just don't like the color with this, you know, black. But the wheel looks fine. Damn, there's so many NSXs here. What, the blue? It is pretty.
I like the color in isolation.
Hey, exactly. In isolation, yeah.
Well, especially not with the caliper color right behind you.
What is the caliper color on it?
My setup right there. Although
Yeah, but yours blue is different.
Yes, your blue is different. It's darker.
So it's already worse.
Oh.
quite a bit, so take a look with you as part of our 30-year history. But again, thank you guys. Enjoy.
Damn, bussin'. Yo, oh, it's a fake plate. Damn, I was gonna say, right? Yeah. Yeah, dude, my car for sure does not fit in with majority of these cars. I mean, you know, we got Beamers in disguise, but you know. Oh, this F80 is nice though. Oh, let's take a look at this. Ooh. Baby, what you doing? Yo, that is sick. Super clean F80, holy fuck. Damn. What do you guys think about the new Type R compared to the FK8? Personally, I like this one better. I think it just looks a little bit more mature, not like too out there, but still very, very clean. And I really love it in the white. BRZ GR86 gang, got an S2K. And these are clean. Yo, this RCF. Damn. Voltex. Yo, this guy has the Hyunjin. That's crazy. The RCF. Which one better? I don't know. I'm really a sucker for this one. Like this blue, matte blue, is so dope. Damn, bro. Look at the wrap. That's crazy. Weed spec. The Type R. I don't know how I feel about the pink wheels though. Evo is clean. Murdered out.
Is that Richie Reds?
Oh my god, is that Kyle from Status 7? That's crazy, bro. Look at these. Yeah, these are sick though. They're like almost twinning. F87? Okay. Oh, it's this guy. Dude, this guy pulls up to like almost all the meets that I go to. Ooh. Honestly, the F chassis does look very, very good.
Is this tan?
It does say tan on it.
Oh, it is it. He's got a R34 as well.
Damn. What is this, an IS?
Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, it is with disabilities. Yeah, exactly. He's actually repping. We try to keep it undercover.
I might have to cut that one out.
No. We own them.
All the Supras. What?
Huh?
Damn, look at this. Look at this M3.
He's handicapped too.
Oh yeah, apparently. Oh, because of Will, huh? Let's see. Got the rolled fenders and everything. Shit.
Needs a wash.
Yeah, he does.
That is the plan.
We're not talking shit. It's his brother's car, by the way. So, but yeah, clean. There it is. Ooh. So clean. I used to want this car way back when. This specific version too. Damn. What we got back here? Oh, there's some clean stuff. But yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. You know, it's getting a little hot and I actually have some other things to do. Plus I need to film some other videos, so I'll probably call it quits here. Thank you all for watching. You know, hope you enjoyed seeing some of the cool stuff that they brought out. But yeah, you know, until next time, I'll catch you in the next video.